In this video, I'll show you how you can connect ElevenLabs to Base44. So it's really simple, just follow my steps. Click on Integrations tab in Base44, and here you need to find ElevenLabs. You can even search it or just scroll and find it. So it's this one, click on it. And from here, as you can see, generate realistic high quality speech from any text using ElevenLabs. So to be able to use this integration, you need to get ElevenLabs API key and then voice ID. So to do this, go to ElevenLabs and on the main menu, click on developers here. And from here, click on create an API key. Then click again create key. And from here, you can choose your name, test. You can also make it like restricted. And from here, you can choose many options. So you can give access to text to speech or speech to speech. So you can select from those options. And then once you have all these details filled, click on create key. And this will create your API key. So copy it because it won't be displayed again. So make sure to copy it and then click on this, use this integration. From here, paste the API key. Now to get voice ID, go back to ElevenLabs and click on this voices section. Then from here, you can choose voice which you want and then click on 3 dots next to it and then click on copy voice ID. So I'm going to copy it and paste it here, and that's it. That's how we can connect ElevenLabs to Base44. And if you find this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.